How to buy BNB Smart Chain in TrustWallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can buy BNB Smart Chain in TrustWallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to buy BNB Smart Chain in TrustWallet, it's actually quite very simple to do. All you have to do from here is to simply go ahead and first of all open up the TrustWallet app and just make sure to sign into your respective account. Then right here you'll find the buy option. After you sign in, go to the buy option and just type in BNB Smart Chain, right? So type in BNB Smart, then you'll find this only crypto available, so tap on that crypto. This is the BNB one. So we will go in and enter the dollars worth of BNB we want to buy. So if I want to buy $1,500 of BNB, I will get 2.42144 amount of it. So I can just tap on the buy with credit card option, and then once done I'll be able to buy it, and this way you'll be able to buy BNB Smart Chain in TrustWallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.